Diesel, this is a nice big crate. How about this one?
No, not that one, Frankie. It needs to be bigger. That one! Yeah, that one!
What do you want all these crates for anyway?
Never you mind what I want them for. It's a surprise!
Oh, some engines. What's up with you?
I had this brilliant idea about how I could go to the Great Railway Show, but Sir Topham Hatt refused to streamline me.
Oh, Thomas, that's a good one. A streamlined tank engine.
It's not that funny, Cranky.
Everything looks so very good.
Bonjour!
Come on,
Hey, stop! Wait! Oh, watch out!
Where are you all going?
To the Great Railway Show, of course.
The Great Railway Show's not here. It's happening on the mainland. This is the island of Sodor.
The island of... Oops.
Now, everybody back on the ship. I'm coming. Please wait.
The Great Railway Show? Are you really all going to the...
Get out of the way! Why don't you look where you're going, shrimp?
I'm not the one going backwards.